Welcome to this workout video for skinny girls who want to gain weight. Before starting, consult with a doctor to make sure you're healthy enough for exercise. Building muscle is key to gaining weight, so we'll focus on strength training. Get a set of dumbbells or resistance bands, and let's begin with some squats. Place your feet shoulder width apart, squat down, and then stand up again. Next, let's do some lunges by stepping forward with one foot and bending both knees. Don't forget to switch legs and repeat for the same number of repetitions. Push-ups are also great for building upper body strength and muscle. Try doing as many as you can in one set, then take a break and repeat. Don't have a pull-up bar? Use a resistance band instead to mimic the motion. Bicep curls are an effective way to target your arm muscles with dumbbells. Lateral raises with light weights are perfect to add definition and shape to your shoulders. For a full body workout, try doing planks to strengthen your core and back muscles. Rest days are crucial to give your body time to recover and build muscle. Incorporate high-calorie foods in your diet to help you gain weight with exercise. Protein is key for muscle building. Try eating lean proteins like chicken or fish. Don't forget to eat healthy carbs like brown rice or sweet potatoes to fuel your workouts. You can also add healthy fats in your diet like olive oil or avocado. Be consistent with your workouts and eating routine to see results. Track your progress to see how much you're gaining and adjust your workouts accordingly. Take breaks when needed, but don't give up. It takes time to see results. Join a support group or find an accountability partner to help you stay on track. Variety in your workouts is crucial to help you stay motivated and avoid boredom. Incorporate HIIT workouts for a challenging and intense option. Make sure to prioritize enough sleep to help your body recover and build muscle. Remember, everyone's body is different. Embrace your uniqueness and stay positive. That brings us to the end of this workout video. Keep up the great work and happy gaining.